Today, we are going to see about changes around us. What is a change? The process in which something becomes different from what it was earlier. It is the observable difference between initial stage and the final stage of any substance. Change is the law of nature. In our day to day life, we see many changes around us, like weather changes periodically, daily, or seasonally. Season changes periodically. A paper burns readily while it takes a few days for an iron nail to rust. It takes a few hours for milk to turn into curd, but vegetables get softened in a few minutes when cooked. The said changes are accompanied by changes in properties like shape, color, temperature, position, and composition. Some changes can be observed while some are not possible to notice. There are different types of changes observed in nature that occurs around us. Some changes take place very quickly while others take hours, days or even years. Some changes are temporary while some others are permanent. Some changes produce a new substance while the others do not. Some changes are natural while others are made by human beings. Some changes are desirable to us, but some changes are not desirable. We shall now try to classify changes on basis of certain, similar and differences. First, slow and fast change, reversible and irreversible change, physical and chemical change, desirable and undesirable change, natural and man-made change. Let us see slow and fast change now. Slow and fast change. Look at the picture. Growth of a child. The child slowly grows and grow as a young man. So this is a slow change. Next, a cracker is burning. The cracker burst out very fast. So this is an example for fast change. When we put a switch, the bulb glows. This is also an example for fast change. Slow changes. Changes which take place over a long period of time. Hours, days, months, and years are known as slow changes. Example, growth of a nail and hair, change of season and germination of seed. Fast changes, changes which take place within a short period of time are known as fast changes. Example, bursting of a balloon, breaking of glass, bursting of a firecrackers, burning of paper. Now, let us see about reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible changes. Changes which can be reversed are known as reversible changes. That is, to get back the original state. Example, touch me not plant. When we touch the plant, the leaves will fold. After some times, again the leaf will open. Next, stretching of rubber band. Melting ice are some of the examples of reversible changes. Now, take paper and make a boat and an aeroplane one by one using the same piece of paper. This means the change of shape discussed here is reversible. Next, we are going to see about irreversible change. Changes which cannot be reversed or to get back the original state are known as irreversible change. Burning of a candle and piercing a balloon with a pin are irreversible change. They can example for irreversible changes: change of milk into curd, digestion of food, making idli from batter. Physical and chemical changes. Take an apple and cut it into 2 halves. Cut 1 half into pieces and share it with your friend. Is there any change in the composition of the apple while cutting? No. Only the shape and size have changed. This can be called a physical change. Leave the other half on the table for some time. You can see brown patches formed on the cut surface because of the reaction between some substance in the apple and the air around it. This is a chemical change. Physical changes are the temporary change in which there is change in the physical appearance or physical state of the substance, but not in its chemical composition. Here, no new substance is formed. Example, melting of ice, the solution of salt or sugar, stretching of rubber band. Let us now understand the physical changes that take place in water. You already know that water exists in 3 states as solid, liquid, and gas. Change of states take place either by heating or cooling. By heating, energy is supplied, and by cooling, energy is taken away. These are the reasons for the changes. Let us name a few processes connected with the change in states of water. When ice changes into water on heating, the process is called as melting. When water changes into steam on heating, the process is called as vaporization.